In this video, we're going to check out my latest pickups, trades, and donations. This video is for October 2021. Sit back, relax, and let's jump right into it. Here is King's Quest Collection Series. This is for Windows 95, Windows 3.1, as well as DOS. It has got King's Quest 1 through 7, as well as 3 bonus games. Here is the front of the box. Here is the back of the box. And then down on the bottom here, it shows you the minimum requirements to use this. I plan on doing an in-depth video about this software, so I'm not going to show you all of that right now, but I did want to at least show you the box and discuss that it was a recent pickup. Let me grab the next item. Here is a factory sealed 3.5-inch floppy disk head cleaning system. I picked this up off of eBay. It is factory sealed. I will be opening it to use it. I didn't have one for 3.5-inch floppies, so now I do. And then here is the back of the box. Nothing too exciting there. Basically use it to clean the heads on floppy drives for 3.5-inch drives, and I plan on using this on my Tandy 1000 TX. On to the next item. This is a VIC-20 16K RAM expansion cartridge for the VIC-20 computer. This was a donation a few months back, and I kept forgetting to show it, so it's now included in my October 2021 pickup video. But basically, it is the 16K cartridge to add 16 KB of memory to a VIC-20. Has the original box, as well as the little instruction paperwork. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You just plug it into your VIC-20 and it just works. But here's a close-up of the paper. Let's flip it over, show you the back. Pretty cool. I got this from Adrian. He was donated to his channel a couple of these. He did not need two, so you paid it forward and gifted one to me. So thank you, Adrian. On to the next item. Here we have Steeplechase for the Sears Tele-Games video game console. Steeplechase is one of 3 exclusive game titles for the Tele-Games console. Submarine Commander and Stellar Track are the other 2. Here is the front of the box. Here is the back of the box. Something that's pretty cool. It still has the original Sears price tag on there, $19.99. This is complete in box. Here is the cartridge with a really nice end label. Top label is good as well. And here is the manual, also in really nice condition. So this will be added to my Sears Tele-Games cartridge collection. On to the next item. This is my Commodore 64 sales cartridge. That was a recent pickup from a part trade, part donation. I recently did a dedicated video about this cartridge. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description so you can check that out. But since it was part of my recent pickups and stuff, I wanted to include it in this video as well. So once again, the Commodore 64 sales cartridge. On to the next item. Here we have Leisure Suit Larry in the Land of the Lounge Lizards, complete in box. Super happy to have picked this up recently. This is the 256 color VGA version. This is the front of the box. Back of the box. Right here to show you all the requirements, you'll notice IBM, Tandy, and MS-DOS compatible. I am going to be doing a full video on this game, so I'm not going to show you everything inside right now, but one more addition to the collection, big box game. Very excited. On to the next item. This is the Radio Shack Executive Decision Maker. Came out in the late 70s, early 80s. Runs on a 9-volt battery. This is a little, like the crazy 8-ball you shake and you ask it a question and the answer floats up. This is a modern version of that. And how it works is you turn it on, like so. You ask your question, like, should I do the shout out to my patrons in this video? Hit the button. Definitely. So with that, shout out to my patrons. These are the folks that support me on Patreon, patreon.com/geekwithsocialskills. And again, this is the Radio Shack Executive Decision Maker. Should we wrap up this video? Possibly. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down twice. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.